Hey, just a really quick one on this screen here about words just totally escaped my brain here on suggestibility. I was going to say sensibility on suggestibility. Article, it's actually written right there. This is Ugander on suggestibility. Great article, really interesting stuff. I think you're going to be like, wow, brains are like fascinating and scary and squishy and strong and all kinds of stuff. Definitely read the article. Really important to read the article. However, the TED Talk is optional. Amazing. Dr. Loftus has been involved in like all kinds of like super important cases. She's an expert on memory psychology. She talks and starts out like right off the get-go talking about some really violent crime. And I want to let you know that. So big trigger warnings, and goes on to talk about really a lot more very big violent crimes. And so don't watch it if you don't want to. But it's a fascinating one and about what can be suggested and placed in your brain. Hypnosis is part of this, but it doesn't have to be hypnosis. So I just want you to know that that is something that is optional, um, and up to you. And you will not be tested on material from her. The article in and of itself will give you enough. So you can read about suggestibility up here, and it looks kind of boring right there, but it's very good. All right. So that's enough if you just want to do that.